Trying to get the new video working here, recording. Come on. Okay. All right, here we go. We're gonna do $14.15 Upper Deck the Cup, our double box break, number 66. Right now, here's the eBay date and time. We got 18:02 at 6:02 p.m. Eastern or Pacific time. Thank you. Nobody's signed up on our eBay on our website yet. Get registered, and we'll be posting a lot of our breaks on there from now on. I'm gonna try to stay away from eBay. It's tripleplaysc.com, as in sports cards. Got a sealed case. These are the last four, 8238. Good luck to everybody. All right, we'll use these two boxes here. All right, our first card's base is Chris Chelios for the Detroit Red Wings, 47 of 249. Nice. We got a three-color rookie patch, 70 of 249 for the Ottawa Senators, Chris Lazar. Another rookie auto patch, 10 of 10 for the San Jose Sharks, Barclay Goodrow. Oh, that's nice. We have our enshrinements for the Boston Bruins. Cam Neely, 50 of 50. We have a trios for the San Jose Sharks. Joe Pavelski, Patrick Marleau, and Thomas Hertl, 21 of 25. Rookie auto patch for the New Jersey Devils, 19 of 25. Seth Helgeson. All right, we have a base for the New York Islanders, 211 of 249, Kyle Okposo. For the Calgary Flames, rookie auto patch, 161 of 249, Josh Joris. Sweet. Dual honorable numbers, 1 of 8. Teemu for the Ducks, Teemu Selanne, and for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. I'll randomize that at the end. Oh, interesting. Another one. We got an enshrinements for the Boston Bruins. Guess who? Cam Neely. For the Montreal Canadiens, Foundations, 12 of 25, Denis Savard. And the last one for this double box break, for the Nashville Predators, rookie auto patch, 67 of 84, Colton Sissons. All right, we'll randomize the Ovechkin and Selanne. Put down both teams twice. And we'll randomize it 3 times. All right, we got Washington, Anaheim, and Anaheim. There's number 1. 2, and 3. And the card goes to Anaheim. Congratulations, that's a nice one. All right, like I said, don't forget to register at tripleplaysc.com for more group breaks. There's a group break link there. We got 15-16 Artifacts case break up for Team Select and some buyback hockey 15-16. All right, just give me a minute here and we'll get the case break going. Okay.